Welcome to my video on human blood system. Functions of blood. Maintain constant environment for living tissues, that means regulate body temperature, maintains fluid balance, etc. Delivers nutrients from GIT to all cells. Delivers oxygen from lungs to all cells. Transports wastes from cells to excretory organs like carbon dioxide to lungs, urea, uric acid and creatinine to kidneys, etc. Carries hormones from endocrine organs to target tissues. Proteins and WBC of blood fight infections. Blood and its components. Blood is made up of 4 components. Red blood cells are erythrocytes. White blood cells are leukocytes. Platelets are thrombocytes. Blood plasma. Red blood cells. Red blood cells are erythrocytes or biconvex in shape with an average lifespan of 120 days. They contain hemoglobin, that carries oxygen. The iron in the hemoglobin gives the RBCs characterized red color. The spleen is responsible for removing and destroying old and damaged red blood cells from the body. Red blood cells are continuously produced in the bone marrow of long bones. Breakdown of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin break down by macrophages into heme and globin. Heme contain bilirubin and iron. Globin contain protein. White blood cells. White blood cells or leukocytes are found in different forms. White blood cells can either be granulated or agranulated. Neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils are granulocytes and lymphocytes monocytes are agranulocytes. Characteristics of leukocytes. Agranulocytes or mononuclear contain one large nucleus. Leukocytes that do not have staining granules in their cytoplasm. These are lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes arise in lymph nodes and circulate both in the bloodstream and in the lymphatic system. Monocytes are large cells which have a single large nucleus. Leukocytes. Basophil % in blood 0 to 1. Function is contains heparin, prevents blood form clotting, histamine involved in allergic responses. Eosinophil % in blood 1 to 4. Function is phagocytic cell involved in allergic reactions. Neutrophil % in blood 50 to 60. Function is phagocytic cell that accumulates at sites of infection. The white blood cells play an important role in the immune system of the body. The white blood cells have a very low lifespan and produced in abundance when there is an infection. Platelets. Platelets or thrombocytes are smaller than red blood cells. Their major function is to aid in blood clotting. Blood clotting is the initial response to blood vessel injury. Platelets adhere to the lining of the blood vessel and aggregate to form a primary plug to help stop bleeding. Plasma. Plasma constitutes 55% of blood and forms the fluid portion of blood. Plasma is the medium in which the blood cells circulate throughout the body. Plasma contain 4 major proteins. Albumin regulates the level of water in blood. Globulin has many physiological functions. Fibrinogen helps in the clotting process. Prothrombin helps in the clotting process. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe for future notifications.